And here we go, U-Haul Man at his finest. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are at Point Marina. The U-Haul is the dead giveaway, but when this came by, this boat looks brand spanking new. So I'm assuming maybe this is one of our crew's first times trying to load this boat. And if you can't tell, it doesn't look right. They are missing the trailer. I don't want to say they're missing the trailer, but they are definitely not set up right on the bunks. So they're going to try and winch it on, but I got a feeling this is not going to go on right with how this is sitting. But all we can do is sit here and let's see how it plays out for this crew. Now, I can't be the only one looking at this thinking this just isn't right. The boat's got a heavy lean to it, a heavy list, let's say, and it looks like it's sitting on the right bunk. In other words, like the whole of the boat is sitting on the right bunk. They're not centered on this trailer at all. So, are they going to try and pull this out? No way they're trying to pull this out. He's got to be backing it further in, right? Yes, okay, there we go. Backs it up a little bit. Careful, guys, because you're going to back this boat right into the dock as well. He gets himself a little deeper to try and get a little more room to work with. And my man gets off the boat, gets the boat back to floating a little bit. They're going to push it over. And it feels like it's stuck on that right bunk. It still may not be deep enough, and they just missed when they came on. So after a few minutes, they're still working on it. But here we go. They're trying to pull it out, man, and it is just all kinds of wrong. Quickly figures it out, starts to back down again. And the boat's at least floating level now. You guys just got to kick it over the trailer. The guy's kicking it out. Finally, it looks like it might be floating deep enough for them to get over that right bunk. I'm not sure. He's telling them to pull it out again. Let's see what happens here. Oh, nope. Our guy's back in the water, already out. Trying to winch it up. And let's see if this plays. I mean, they kind of have it floating. I mean, I can see that they could get it over the bunk now. I can't tell, because the trailer's deep enough now that I can't tell if they're still on the bunk or not. But somebody's holding it close to the dock, and I think that's the wrong angle for this. The guy who's winching it up is yelling back to his buddy to do something. It looks like he's trying to tell him to push it over. There we go. We definitely should be over the right bunk now. And let's see what happens here. It's sliding back to the right on them again as he's trying to winch it up. Once again, usually the U-Haul's the giveaway. We always love to watch these people. They're going for the second attempt on their pullout, and that thing is still crooked. Not even close to right on the trailer. They're gonna have to do this again. Oh man, this crew is really struggling to try and get this thing lined up right. And they're so far to the right on the trailer. He's gonna have to back this down. He can't just pull out of here like this, can he? I guess he could, but not the recommended way to travel. So here we go again, another attempt at trying to get this one back on the trailer correctly. So we got the boat floating, it's leveled itself out, but we've got to get this thing pushed over to the left. So we're trying to pull it out one more time. Going to try the slow pull to see if it'll self-center a little bit. Looks a little better than it did, but it's still not right. The struggle is real here at Black Point. Sometimes these are some of the most painful ones to watch. And he backed it back in. He's going to try one more time on the pullout. And this time it looks about right. It's self-leveled itself. He's a little off the opposite direction this time, but I'll take it all day long compared to where they were sitting, and my man is going to get out of here. And our crew is making ready to approach the dock. They're going to turn and try and get their angle right. And here we go. Cap's making a move. And he's making a move a little hot right now. I don't know if he's going to brake check this or what. Gonna reverse it back a little bit. Gonna have to set himself up for the approach. And they're going for it. Our girl in the bow got a line on the ready. At brake checks, and she steps off successfully. Oh, wait. There's somebody pulling out, so now they're going to have to back up and try this all over again. So our girl lets the line go. This is going to be interesting. There's not a lot of room to work over here. Our guy's got the wall to contend with on the right-hand side as well, trying to pull out. Let's see if they can avoid the wall. And these guys both just kind of went at it at the same time, and somebody had to give. So our incoming boat's giving to the outgoing. But my man is all kinds of against the wall over here. Oh, tough to see from this angle, but they are almost on that wall, trying to pull out. He's trying to power his way through it. And there we go. And the jet boat's going to have to come back in. Oh, watch it. He's kicking the stern around. Can he get his angle back? Our girl on the dock tossed the line. So they're going to have to get it back over to her. Cap looks pretty good right here. Getting it set up. Getting his angle right. Now we should go into forward gear. Let's see if he can push it in and hopefully not hit the dock. And we've got a line on. Coming in a little hot. And brake checks it, and they should be good to go from here. But speaking of being good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.